बच्चों हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं क्लास 10th एक्सरसाइज 3.3 और बच्चों इसके पहले वीडियो में मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और 2 सॉल्व किया था. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज कंटेनिंग 5 डिफरेंट पार्ट. So we will discuss all part one by one. See, first part is what? First part. The difference between two number is 26. The difference between two number is 26 and one number is 3 times of other. Find them. So firstly we will suppose that both number are what? Suppose that first number is equal to x and second number is equal to y. So see what is case 1. Case 1 is given कि sum of both number is 26. So we will write x plus difference between both number is 26. Then write x minus y is equal to 26. This is equation number 1. Now according to case 2, what is case 2? See कि first number is 3 times of second number. It means x is what? X is 3 times of y. So we can write x is equal to 3y. And see, it is your equation number 2. So we have two different equations, and with the help of both equations we can find the value of x and y. See how can we find? We will write here one statement putting the value of x in equation 2. We are putting the value of x is equal to 3y in first equation. So first equation is x minus y is equal to 26. When we are putting x is equal to 3y, then it becomes 3y minus y is equal to 26, or 2y is equal to 26 implies y is equal to 13. And when y is equal to 13, then we can put this value of y either in equation 1 or in equation 2. So see, when we are putting y is equal to 13 here, then 13 into 3 is equal to 39. So finally value of x is coming 39 and y is coming 13. So student, please note down first part of question number 3. Now see second part. Second part is the larger angle of two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18 degrees. Find number. Now again suppose that we have two different number. First number is equal to first angle is equal to x and second angle is equal to y. We have two different angle x and y, and according to first case we can write, because of both are what? Both are supplementary angle. We know that the sum of supplementary angle is what? 180. Then we can write x plus y is equal to 180. Right, equation number 1. And the second time it is given that 1 is exceed 18 by second, then we can write according to case 2, according to second case, we can write कि x is equal to y plus 18. First number is exceed second by 18. So x is equal to y plus 18. It is your second equation. So now we have two different equation 1 and 2. Again we will solve both equation and we will find the value of x and y. So see how can we find? We can put this value of x in equation 1. So write a statement putting the value of x in equation 1। इक्वेशन 1 है क्या? देखो बच्चों, इक्वेशन 1 क्या है? x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 180, x plus y is equal to 180, and on the place of x we are putting what? Y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180. तो y by 2y is equal to 180 minus 18 is equal to 162. तो value of y is coming 2 8 ja and 2 1 ja 1, 2 1 ja 2. तो value of y is coming 81. And see, we can put this value either equation 1 or in 2. So when we are putting here, then x is equal to y plus 18, and value of y is what? 81 plus 18. So value of x is coming 99. So finally angles are coming what? X is equal to 99 degree and y is equal to 81 degree. So student, please note down solution of second part of question number 3. Now see next part. Next part is question number 3. Next part is question number 3. See third part of question number 3. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupee 3800. Later, C buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupee 1750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So student, firstly, suppose the cost of one bat and one ball is x and y. We can write cost of suppose that cost of one bat is equal to x, and cost of one ball is equal to y. Now according to case 1, according to first case, cost of 7 bat, so cost of 1 bat is what? X rupee. So cost of 7 bat will be 7x. Then cost of 6 ball, so cost of 1 ball is what? Y rupee. Then cost of 6 ball will be 6y. Question is saying कि cost of 7 bat and 6y is equal to, when we are adding cost of 7 bat and 6 ball, then she is giving rupee 3800. It is your equation number 1. Now according to case 2, cost of 3 bat. So cost of 3 bat means 3x plus cost of 5 ball. So cost of 5 ball will be 5y is equal to 1750 rupee. So we have two different equation, and again we will solve both equation by substitution method, and we can find the value of x and y. So see how can we find? We can find the value of x or y by equation 2. So see, second equation is what? We can write 5y is equal to 1750 minus 3x, or y is equal to 1750 minus 3x upon 5. Now by the statement putting y is equal to 1750 minus 3x upon 5 in equation 1. तो सी इक्वेशन 1 is 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. Now we will put this value of y in equation 1, 7x plus 6, and on the place of y write 1750 minus 3x upon 5 is equal to 3800. Now 7 5s are 35x is equal to 35x plus multiply 1750 with 6, then it becomes 6 5 is 0, 6 0, 6 5 is 30, carry, and 17 6 and plus 3 is equal to 105. तो minus 3 6 18x is equal to 3800 into 5, 00, 8 5 40, 0, 4 carry, and 5 3 15, 15 and 4 19. So see, when we are solving this step, then we are getting this 35x minus 18x is equal to 17x. 17x is equal to 19,000 minus 10,500. So value of 17x is coming equal to 8,500, and x is equal to 85 upon 17 is equal to 5, then 500. So value of x is coming 500. Now we will this value of y in equation 1 or in equation 2. So see, equation 1 is what? Equation 1 is, yeah, we can put in equation 2 also. 3x plus 5y is equal to 1750, and we are putting x is equal to 500. Then 500 into 3 is equal to 1500 plus 5y is equal to 1750 implies 5y is equal to 1750 minus 1500 is equal to 250. Value of y is coming 50. So final answer is coming cost of one bat x is equal to 500 and cost of one ball is coming 50. So student, please note down solution of question number third part of question number 3. Now see fourth part of question number 5. 4 you can solve. I am solving question number 5. The fraction becomes 9 upon 2 if 2 is added to both numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, a fraction becomes 5 upon 6. Find the fraction. So student, this time we want to find fraction. Then firstly, suppose fraction in the term of x upon y. So suppose that fraction is equal to x upon y, and again we can mention both case. So according to first case, question is saying कि when we added 2 in both, तो x plus 2 and y plus 2. See, when we added 2 in both, then fraction becomes 9 upon 11. Now we will simplify it and we can find equation number 1. So 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18, implies 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22. 18 minus 22 is equal to minus 4. And this is your equation number 1. 11x minus 9, y is equal to minus 4. Again, see second case. What is second case? According to second case, when we added 3 in both, so x plus 3, y plus 3, and when we added 3 in both, then fraction becomes 5 upon 6. Now again cross multiply. 6x plus 6 into 3, 18 is equal to 5y plus 15, implies 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18 is equal to minus 3. Equation number 2. Now we have two different equations. Now we can find the value of x and y. Now see, how can we find the value of x? From second equation we can find the value of y, and value of y will be, we can write 6x plus 3 is equal to 5y, or y is equal to 6x plus 3 upon 5. Now we will put this value in equation 1. So write a statement putting y is equal to 6x plus 3 upon 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 is what? Equation 1 is 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. And see, we know value of y is equal to 6x plus 3 upon 5. Now we will put this value in equation 1. 11x minus 9, and on the place of y we will write 6x plus 3 upon 5 is equal to minus 4. Multiply both equations by 5, by which we can cancel 5, then 55x minus 9 6 54x, and plus minus 27 is equal to minus 4 into 5 minus 20. 55x minus 54x is equal to x, and 55x minus 54x is equal to x, and minus 27 minus 20 and plus 27 is equal to 7. It means value of x is coming 7. Now when x is equal to 7, then we can put value of x is equal to 7 here. Then y is equal to, when x is equal to 7, then y is equal to 6 into 7. 6 7 is 42 plus 3 upon 5. Then y is equal to 45 upon 5 is equal to 9. Then fraction is equal to x upon y, and value of x is what? X is 7 and y is 9. Then fraction is coming 7 upon 9. So student, please note down fifth part of question number